Good day, investors. Welcome to the 8th of April 2015. As you can see, the trade of the day is called Aspen APN, and the last traded price is 390 Rand and 76 cents. The objective of this trade is to do a long trade with the objective to go from this low to that green line there. So the entry level will be 389 Rand, and the target will be 412 Rand and 34 cents. Stop loss to be used on this trade is on the red line, and it will be 381 Rand and 22 cents. Looking at the open trade still, it's Woolies from the 2nd of April. Looking at the top 40 index, that's top 40 shares on the JSE, and the black line is indicating the index movement. Currently, as expected yesterday, it broke above the 10-day and the 20-day moving average. You need to wait for the 10-day and 20-day moving average to cross, like this red line crossing the blue line here, to indicate that the momentum will go physically higher. Still, the sell-off happened where the red crossed the blue line downwards. Currently, US markets are flat at this moment. They closed almost 5 points negative. And on that indication, you look at this Dow chart. They closed on the blue line here, indicating you can actually extend this black line to the 18,000 points. And you can see there's a lot of support here as well at the bottom. Currently, the futures are also very, very flat, 5-6 points up, and European futures are a bit positive, and the German market's a bit negative. Our markets are also very flat at this moment for the opening later during the course of the morning. Let's go and look at Shoprite quickly. And you can see, look at this channel that started to form low, high. It was on the top side of this channel, starting to lose a bit of momentum here. On Shoprite, looking at your Bollinger Bands, broke the green line positive, went almost to the red line. Now it's trading on the top. We need to concur where this green channel will go, and that's a positive channel. Looking at Woolies, also lost a bit of momentum after it had this nice movement in the previous week, coming a bit down, testing this bottom of the green line as well. Looking at the Bollinger Bands there, the high is 89.12, but as soon as it breaks, it's 85.96. More downside could be due, so markets can go upwards or downwards currently from the current levels. Now going back to the Dow, today they're starting with the Standard & Poor's 500 quarterly report earnings releases, and the first company to release it is Alco. Let's go to Mr. Price. Mr. Price broke the new record of 270 and currently trading at 271.25. Need to see what the momentum can do on the previous highs at this moment. Let's run to your banking shares. Here's Barclays Bank, still in this positive channel going upwards. Tested this 190, currently trading at 191, and it's currently here trading on the top of the Bollinger Band as well, and on the top of the top cycle of the channel. Looking at Standard Bank, wants to test this new high as 170, and previous high was also 170, and you can see it's trading currently in the sideways pattern here as well. The low here is approximately 166.73, and the high is about 170, but it's still in a positive channel. Let's go and look at MTNs. MTN came a bit up, as you can see, trading this level of 222.10. And now we need to see where's the next high, and it could be 225 as it goes on. Vodacom started to move up. Look at this pattern going upwards here after it had this breakup. Trading now at 136.10 and expected new highs at 137.92. Not a lot of movement in that share, but you wanted to get it as low levels here. Looking at the Investec. Investec is currently trading sideways, and you can actually go and extend this. It needs to break this high here, and that high here is approximately about 182.82, 103. If it needs to go higher, Low is currently about 174 Rand. So let's see where it takes us in the short term. Let's track it closely. Looking at your CFRs, still trading a bit of a downward channel. You can just extend this red lines here. Negative ABC pattern, high, lower, high. So we need to see if this could be a change of a new channel going up. Anytime it breaks this level of 98.67, your new high could be back here at 100 Rand and 57 cents. So not a lot of movement there of 2 Rand, but that could be an indicator when the green comes here and it breaks this high here, more upside could be back here close to the 104 Rand. Exatos started to stabilize here, and you can actually go and draw this red line down here now in the big channel, indicating still in a movement down, but now it's at the bottom of that movement, and all eyes will be on this specific share as well to see if there could be a bit of a breakup happening from these levels of 95 Rand. It seems to be quite cheap at this moment. A lot of things still happening in the market. Cautiousness, job figures, interest rates of the American market still affecting the markets. So let's see how the markets plays out. Enjoy your trading.